to sell a used truck tractor. When it comes to selling a used truck tractor, there are a number of key factors you should cover in your advert listing. The most important thing is to make sure you give your potential buyer as much information as possible about the truck you want to sell, covering the following in your listing. Give a detailed reason for why you're selling the truck. Provide the maintenance history and oil change records if you have them. Detail if the truck has an accident history or suffered any previous damage, because buyers don't like surprises. Consider if any parts will need replacing and inform the buyer. Try to include links to validate the track record of the engine and transmission. Highlight rust and body damage, inside and out. Detail the features of the cabin interior. Make mention of things like the tires, axles, suspension, fenders, plates, pigtails, and cab guards. Validate the truck's mileage. Give an overview of the electronics, gauges, and general condition of the truck, and ultimately ensure that what you advertise is aligned to what you're selling. Covering these points in your adverts will go a long way in making you a trusted seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on AgriMag. Visit agrimag.co.za, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.